Story, story, story. Hey! My eye don't see my ear, my people. Hello, everybody, everyone out there. I welcome una to my YouTube channel. As una know me before, na me be Delta Tatafo Princess, the girl wey no dey mind her business. Abeg, if today na your first time to come across this YouTube channel, abeg make you like, share, make you click that notification button so that if I upload any ogbonge video, make you yourself dey aware. For those of una when they make this channel, they grow up. I thank una very much. God bless you. God reward you handsomely. I bring one matter on the table today. You see this, my eye don't see my ear. My eye don't see my ear today. Now about some black make I look whether people they come first before I go talk. You know, say that for business, you need to observe. You need to observe where some black don't go rob bank for Napoli, for Italy. Black boys, they go rob bank. Wetin give them that mind? Who give them that kind of mind? Which live at the chop when they get that kind of mind for Europe, for Igbo man land? Hey! This life is something else. So I thought I have seen it all. I think say I don't see where I don't see plenty. I don't see. I don't know say oga kpata they come. They even go rob bank. You no pay me. That one no do. They don't kill one policia. My Nigeria people, for those of now, policia na police. They don't kill one police. They go the robbery. They can't kill police. This police now, he get wife and pick 2 children. They don't turn that woman to widow. They don't kill Igbo police. Okay, we when can be innocent now, the rest black now. What be our fate for this kind thing when it don't happen now? Hey, God. Some people, they get mind though. Wetin dey even dey happen sef? Why be say black una no dey sabi comport una sef? Every new month una must bring new something, new news, new casting. Why? Hey, abeg make e no come be say I dey lie. Say Delta Tatafo, people go say Delta Tatafo, she don come again. No, her mouth no dey close. Oh, I agree say my mouth no dey close. I no go fit mind my business for this one. Before we continue, make you see am. Watch am for yourself. Make you see the way some people, some human being they take risk. Make you see am.
Aveva 37 anni Pasquale Apicella, l'agente scelto morto mentre cercava di bloccare gli autori di un tentato furto in banca. Succede a Napoli. Nella notte 3 criminali provano a forzare il bancomat dell'agenzia Crédit Agricole. Interviene una prima volante della polizia che viene speronata dall'auto coi 3. Inizia la folle corsa contromano dei malviventi su via Calata Capodichino, durante la quale non si fermano all'alto della seconda volante e la travolgono. Su quell'auto viaggiava Apicella con un collega. L'impatto è stato violento e le immagini ne danno un'idea. Lui è morto sul colpo, il collega è lievemente ferito. 2 ladri sono stati bloccati da una terza volante intervenuta e sono in ospedale perché feriti nello scontro. Il terzo è ricercato. I 2 fermati sono stranieri e vivono in un campo rom in provincia di Napoli. La morte dell'agente scelto è un dolore immenso per tutti noi, ha commentato il questore Alessandro Giuliano. Messaggi di cordoglio anche dal mondo politico e dal capo della polizia Franco Gabrielli, che esprime commozione e vicinanza alla famiglia e dice: paghiamo un prezzo altissimo. Apicella lascia una moglie e 2 figli, uno di 6 anni e uno di pochi mesi. Gaia Bozza, Sky TG24.
Shebi, you don't see am with your eye now. You don't see say Delta Tatafo no dey carry any news. She no dey carry the talk, even if she no dey mind her business. Make you see her some black take day. Those ones now go come cause they rob the innocent ones when no know anything when it happen, when they no even dey there when the thing happen. These people now people when it be say this country now people when it be say they are the country when it be say their people don't die where this period this coronavirus don't kill their people where some family 4, 5, 6 die. You go still go dey rob dem join now. You get conscience. Una get conscience. All those guys wey go do that thing una, even if okay, let's assume say na their people na prompt una, na give ginger una up, na advise una make una go do that thing. Na every message wey they send pikin na dey go. My people, una see wetin dey happen. Una see wetin dey go on. These people never recover from the death, the coronavirus when they don't kill their people well. They never recover. Black, they won't cause their own. So we, when it be red, the innocent black now, when it remain now, I beg go, make we dey pray o, because me now self I dey fear. I dey fear. Because now so they go cause finish. People when don't know anything. Now last na them go they suffer am. They suffer for wetin they don't know. Hi, God, oh, God. The same movement will start on the 4th. This kind of thing when it go happen now. They fit even see black bad belly. They go say, black, una no include. They fit use that bad belly. They fit do because these people, they wicked us, or you both they wicked us most times. Now, wait till we black do them. Now, wait till we cause. I beg. Make una just see this thing now. Make una see this kind of thing when it happen now. Wetin wan happen next now? Nobody know. Now make you. They share this my video. Make you subscribe to this channel. Make you click that notification button so that if I upload any latest info like this, any tatafo like this, make you yourself, make it dey aware. Make you know what they go on. Make you know the updates. And this one now I see as I no go keep out to myself. Make I go share am with my fans, my people. People when they support the ministry, man go share am with them. So no keep out to yourself. Share, like, make you click that notification button so that if I upload any tatafo when I'm out, not they close. If I upload, make you yourself, make you there aware. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you all. God bless you. Bye.